Welcome back everyone, it's Hannah from Stardust. Thanks for joining me for the tutorial video today. I'm going to be teaching you my beginner's jazz choreography to the song Mamma Mia. So this is the tutorial video. If you want to check out the music video, you can click the link below. Let's get started. We're going to start at the back of our room with our feet together. Now on the introduction for this dance, you can just do a little step and tap or freestyle until the lyrics come in. When the lyrics start, we're going to step forward on your left foot and the arms are going to sway. So you're going to go step, step, and then 2 walks back and you point forwards. Good. And then arms down. And then there's some strong beats. We go to the side. Invert your back foot, lift that heel. Da 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 da. Good, that's how it goes with the music. Then we repeat. Forwards, forwards, keep the arms back, back, and then open. Poses again. Da 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 da. Good, well done. Then we're gonna do a slide to the side when she sings Look at Me Now. Look at me now. You're gonna grab your wrist, okay? So right hand grabs your left wrist. Perfect, that's on Look at Me Now. Keep your arms here and we're gonna do a step turn to the side. Step, turn, step, dig. Nice. Then we're gonna take a bend and you bring your arms down and then they're gonna burst open. Good, then you've got a little flick ball change and you can use your shoulders. Flick, ball change, flick, ball change. Good, so forward with the shoulder at the same time. Good, let's add that together. So from the lyrics, so you've got your little freestyle bit and then we're coming forward. Forwards, forwards, point, point, beats, da 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 da, da da da, again, forwards, forwards, back, back, strong arms, da 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 da, da 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 da. Good, slide, look at me now, turn, and bend, open. Good, flip ball change, flip ball change. Good, so those flip ball changes are quite quick. All right, lovely. We're then gonna turn to the side and your left arm's gonna go round your head. Sweep it round, bring your arms in. Lovely, then we're gonna do a quick ball change. Up, 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 onto demi point, and down, down. Good, up, up, down, down. Good, so nice and quick, lovely. So we go up, up, down, down. And you're gonna bring your hands into like a prayer position when you come down. Up, up, down, down. Lovely. That's on the lyric, there's a fire. So you do, there's a fire. Good, then you're gonna do a body ripple up on the lyric, inside my soul. Good, and then you're gonna bring the hands down and you've got 2 little knee pops. Nice, and then we're gonna crisscross. Just one, and then you're gonna beat your heel, look. And then you're gonna point to the side and you're gonna beat your heel. Good, then it repeats, crisscross, but this time your hands are gonna go up your body. Crisscross, and then you're gonna beat your right foot and your hands are gonna come forwards, palms facing the front. Good job. So you've done out on There's a Fire Within My Soul. And it crisscross, just one, and then beat, look. Good. And again, jump, jump, beat. Good. And then on the whoa, before she sings Mamma Mia, you're gonna do a fan kick. Now this will be with your right leg because you're mirroring me. You're gonna open your arms and your fan kick is gonna come across. So if you've not done these before, sweeps open, making a lovely shape like a fan in the air, okay? So you can just keep it small, or if you're super flexible, your leg can go right up to the ceiling, all right? So that's after we do our beats here, and that's on the whoa. Nice, then it's the chorus, Mamma Mia. We're gonna take a gallop to the side. So gallop, and then ball change. And the arms are quite free here, so you can let them swing. Then again, gallop, ball change. You're gonna rise up on your leg, up, and then drop forwards into a preparation for either a balance in pirouette position or take it as a single turn. You decide, okay? So either as a balance or a step ball change. A step ball change, a balance, or a single turn is what I meant to say. All right, so you do your fan kick, and then for Mamma Mia, ball change. Here we go again. Up, my, balance or single turn. Good, and then point out on you. Repeat, gallop and rock it back. Gallop and rock it back. The second time, instead of the rise and the pirouette, we're gonna do a little flick. So we're gonna flick that foot to the side, okay? So jump onto the back foot and flick that foot out. And flick, and you flick your arms out at the same time as you flick your leg out. All right, so try it with the step ball change. We do gallop and rock it back. Gallop, rock it back. Up, down, turn or balance, up, repeat again. Gallop and rock. Gallop and rock. Ready? Flick, cross. Good. Then from here, you're going to turn towards your right shoulder. Turn, round, and then you've got a little change. Good. So change the hands and just switch those feet. So you're up on demi-point, change. Good job, everybody. Let's have a try adding it all together from the beginning and seeing what we can remember so far. Remember, if you do want to pause, rewind, go through any bits, that is completely fine. Do whatever's best for you. When that music starts, we're just going to have a little step and tap, little freestyle, whatever feels best for you. And then when she starts to sing, we're coming forward. 2 steps. 1, 2, and point. Back, beat. Hands. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Again, forwards, and wave the arms back. Strong. Da, 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 da. And last time, slide. Good, step turn. And open. Flick ball change, flick ball change, flick ball change, turn. Good, there's a fire, ripple up within my soul. Beat, beat, good, ready to crisscross. Just one look, good. And again, crisscross beat. Ready for the big fan kick. Whoa, gallop, Mamma Mia, ball change, good. Up, down, turn. You again, Mamma Mia. Good, flick, drop, twist. Good job, very nice. Okay, if we are good to carry on, we are gonna take a little hop and we're gonna circle sweep your left foot on the floor. So you're gonna do a little hop forwards and think of drawing a big circle with your big toe on the floor. So stretch, then we're gonna walk to the side, walk, and then drop. So it's like we go this way and then we change our minds. So we've gone circle, 1, 2, 3, and 4 to bring you back to the front. Good. One more time, just in case we've not got that. We do circle, walk, forward, back, front. Nice. Then you're gonna bring your palms together like this. So palms open, wrists together even, and they go round your head. Good. So a nice big sweep round. We're then gonna open through jazz second, and we're gonna come up, down. So we're picking the feet, they go up, switch, down. So up into a nice high releve in parallel. Right, so we've gone here, round your head, step up, down. And when you step down, you're gonna push down and you're gonna look down, okay? So everything goes down. Then there's a beat and your head is gonna go up. So nice strong head movement and look straight ahead of you. Good, nice work. Let's try it from the gallop to Mamma Mia. Here we go. 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, twist, new bit, circle, sweep, walk, and hit, good, round, turn up, push, head. Good job, well done everybody. From here, so we've just pushed down, head's lifted, our weight is forward, our back foot is stretched. We're gonna do a lovely big windmill with our arms, and we're gonna transfer our weight over. Good. Then we're gonna take a nice little jazz step ball change. So in parallel, step ball change. If you've got lots of space, you can make it ginormous. If you've got a little bit of space, you can keep it as a tiny step ball change, okay? Whatever works for you and the space that you have got today. So we've gone down and head, windmill over, over, and a step ball change. Good. We are going to do, so you should have your left foot forwards. That's it. And you're going to step onto your back foot, step, step. So that's 2 steps to turn you around so you are back facing the front. So after windmill, you do step ball change and a step, step. So you change your weight. Nice, good job everyone. Okay, let's do it from the beginning up to there, and then I've just got one last little section to teach you. When that music starts, just have your little freestyle, and then coming forward, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Strong arms. Da 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 da. Good again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Burst. Flip ball change. Flip ball change. Flip ball change. Turn. And there's a fire within my soul. Good. Crisscross. Just one look. Good. And again. Crisscross beat. Lovely. Fan kick. Whoa. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Up and down. Turn. Again. And a 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And a flick. And a turn. And a crisscross. Big circle jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. Hands round. 7, 8. Step turn. Up, up, down, head. Windmill arms over. Lovely. Step ball change this way. Step ball change and a step, step. Good job, everyone. Well done so far. Last section to learn today, everybody. So we've just turned to face the front. You're going to do a little ball change across. Ball change to cross it over. Good. So ball change. Lovely. Then we're going to do another step, and you're going to go up onto a releve, and you've got a little contraction in your abs. So think about coming forward, up, and see if you can hold it for a little moment. So we do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Nice. And again. 6, 7, 8. And a 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop that foot down. Turn. And we're finishing here. 2 switches. Switch, switch. So nice and strong. Pop those heels. Knee goes across. Good. So here. And switch, switch. Lovely. Now to finish, we're going to do a lovely big slide. We're going to finish on a fondue and stretch up. And then on the last beat, switch. So one hand on your thigh and the other hand stretched up to the ceiling. Take your head up and make sure you are stretching that foot to the side. So you get a gorgeous finishing position. Amazing. Good job. And that's the whole routine. So let's mark it through from the beginning slowly. I will try and do a bit of a mixture of some counts and the certain bits that go to the lyrics. And then remember, once you've done this, there's that separate video below where you can practice it with me and the music as many times as you like. Here we go, last time. So I'll talk it through with you. So you've got your little step. And then when she starts to sing, we're coming forwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, point back. Good. Beat, twist in, open. Twist in again. Walk, walk, and back. Back, strong arms. Twist in, open. Twist in, open. Slide, step, turn. Step, turn, step, dig. Open, flick ball change. Flick ball change, flick ball change. Step, turn. Out for there's a fire. There's a fire within my soul. Good. Crisscross. Just one look. Good. And again. Just one beat. Good. Big fan kick. Whoa. Gallop. Good. Step back. Good. Up. Turn. Resist you. And again. Mamma mia. Ball change. Good. Flick. Flick. Drop. Turn. Twist. Twist. Big circle. Yeah, good. Walk, walk, drop, 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 round, up, up, down, throw it over, step ball change, and a step, step, new bit, ball change, step, flick, down, turn, and beat, beat, slide, and up. Good job, well done everyone. Thank you so much for watching everybody and for learning that routine with me today. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please drop me a comment below because I would love to hear from you. You can also connect with me over on Instagram and TikTok at Stardust Dance Academy. And don't forget, there is also that music video below so you can practice it with me and the music as many times as you like. I hope you have fun dancing this one at home.